Hey guys, in this daily dose, my message is simple. You have to have fun in life. That's the reason we work hard. That's the reason, in real estate that I'm going out, selling homes, working with buyers, working with sellers, recruiting agents, right? It's all about having fun, both in the moment, but also, the moments outside of the work, right? The time with your family, the time you get to do fun things. Like today, we're on a vacation at Disney, right? Check out these views. This makes it all worth it to me. We're at the Four Seasons, and you can see the pool down there, kid pool and stuff over there, and out in the distance, you can see cool stuff at the Magic Kingdom, right? And man, we had a blast yesterday at the Magic Kingdom. Today we're gonna have a blast at the pool. I got to take Braden on 12 or 15 rides yesterday, so we had a blast, just a lot of fun, right? And I'm having fun right now shooting this video, by the way. This is the first daily dose that I've shot on my new Panasonic GH5, so this is a new style for me, so I hope you guys like it. And I hope no matter what you're doing, where you're doing it, you're having fun. And while I think it is super important to spend time with family, spend time with your loved ones, your friends, outside of work, I don't think that's the only place you should have fun. If you hate your 9 to 5, if you hate your Monday through Friday, if you're in real estate and you hate working with buyers, if you hate doing open houses, you hate meeting new clients, you're doing something wrong, right? You either need to change your mindset or change what you're doing, because life is too short to not have fun, both, on vacations like this and both in your day-to-day. You shouldn't be doing something for 40, 50, 60 hours a week that's not fun, that you don't like. So please, no matter what you're doing in life, figure out a way to have fun with it. All right? And I think that when you're having fun, you're going to operate at a much higher level. You're going to live life at a bigger level. You're gonna, perform better in your relationships, your finances, your business, your fitness, all of that when you're having fun. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that message. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please share this with someone that could benefit. Leave me some comments, give me some feedback, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys later. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, click that like button, click the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I want you to keep getting this great content. And if you want even more exclusive content and direct access to Carrie and myself, click here to learn about how to get a free trial period in our exclusive Inner Circle. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you again.